Welcome to Algebra Online. Now let's explore the concept of the nth root. What do we mean when we hear or see the nth root of something? Well, n is a general number, and specifically an integer number, and it can have any value, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So in this case, if we see something like this, where we take the nth root of a, well, depending upon the value of n, that'll mean different things. If n is 2, it means the square root. If n is 3, it means the cube root. If n is 4, it means the fourth root, and so forth. Notice that if it's a square root, we don't have to write the number 2. We could, and it wouldn't be wrong. We just don't have to. We just understood. We also have to understand that if we take the square root of 2 squared, we get back 2. If we take the cube root of 2 cubed, we get back 2. If we take the fourth root of 2 to the fourth power, we get back 2. In other words, the root negates the exponent. And so in general, we can say that the nth root of something raised to the n power simply gives back that something, in this case a. But we do need to be careful. Notice that there's a difference when n is even or when n is odd, especially when the number that we raise to the n power is a negative number. For example, the quantity -2 raised to the fourth power, if we take the fourth root of that, we get a positive result, not a negative result. In other words, we have to take the absolute value of that number. If the number is odd, then we just simply take the number. If a is positive, then we get a positive result. If a is negative, we get a negative result when n is odd. For example, the cube root of -5 cubed gives us a -5, and we can write that the cube root of +5 to the third power gives us a +5. But with an even exponent, it doesn't, and an even root, it doesn't make any difference. If you take the fourth root of a negative number, you get a positive number, or I should say more correctly, if you take the fourth root of a negative number to the fourth power, you get a positive number. If you take the fourth root of a positive number to the fourth power, you get a positive number as well. So if it's even, the answer is always positive. If it's odd, the answer is negative if you have a negative number inside the radical sign. And that is how it's done.